Hold up.
How's the George?
Jaundice. Definition of the jaundice. Jaundice is a condition in which the visible mucous membrane are stained yellow due to the presence of excess of hemoglobin in the blood serum. Three types of the jaundice. Prehepatic jaundice. Prehepatic jaundice occurs due to the hemolysis of the RBC. Intrahepatic jaundice. Intrahepatic jaundice occurs due to the improper function of the liver. Posthepatic jaundice. This occurs due to the excessive bilirubin in the blood because of obstruction of biliary tract. Before going to types of the jaundice, you have to first understand how to hemoglobin is converted to the bilirubin. Here, hemoglobin is converted into the heme by releasing the globin, and heme is further converted into the biliverdin, and biliverdin is further converted into the water insoluble bilirubin. Now this water insoluble bilirubin goes into the liver. Here bilirubin is in the unconjugated form. Now bilirubin is combined with the UDP glucuronic acid and forms the bilirubin diglucuronide, which is conjugated form of the bilirubin. Bilirubin diglucuronide is excreted into the intestine through the bile, which is responsible for the color of urine and feces. Key point: in the blood vessel, the hemobilirubin is in the unconjugated form and water soluble, and in the liver, the bilirubin is conjugated with the UDP glucuronic acid and forms the conjugated bilirubin. Prehepatic jaundice or hemolytic jaundice. Blood is hemolyzed, so the greater amount of unconjugated bilirubin present in the blood. Hence, this large amount of unconjugated bilirubin goes into the liver. Here, the liver cannot able to convert all the unconjugated hemobilirubin into the conjugated bilirubin. So, the excessive unconjugated bilirubin goes into the blood and it stains the tissue yellowish. Intrahepatic jaundice or toxic jaundice. This is because of liver injury due to the toxin, bacteria, virus and parasite. This leads to necrosis and degeneration in the hepatic cell. So here the liver functions are altered. Liver cannot able to convert unconjugated bilirubin into the conjugated bilirubin. And again the hemobilirubin is returned back into the blood and stain the mucous membrane yellow. Some of the conjugated bilirubin cannot pass to the bile and intestine because of the blockage of the bile duct. So the cholebilirubin again return back into the circulation along with the hemobilirubin. So here both conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin present into the blood. Posthepatic jaundice or obstructive jaundice. Here the obstruction of the bile duct is the major problem. So the cholebilirubin cannot able to pass into the gallbladder. But in the liver, the excessive cholebilirubin is formed, which return back into the blood circulation and stain the tissue yellowish. In this case, the clay color stool appears. Question: in which type of jaundice the both conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin present in the blood? 2. Which test is used to detect the jaundice?